Hi students, class 8, chapter 3. In this video, we are going to see about the identities. Identities means we can use the different word like that, same or similar like that. Why we are using the identities? Means it is easy to multiplying the algebraic expression or also a numbers. It is another method of solving. And the symbol is we are using the 3 lines, but actually always we are not using this symbol in the identities. Instead of using these 3 lines, we are using the symbol as equal to. We are using the symbol as equal to for our convenient, because we don't want to make any confusion in between that. That's why we are, instead of using the symbol identity, we are using the equal to symbol. Now here we have the standard algebraic identities. In our previous classes we have already studied about what is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square, and x plus a, x plus b. These all are the standard algebraic identities. By using the standard algebraic identities, we can able to multiply. We are using the multiplication of algebraic expression, and also we get the numbers. If you give any numbers for this variable, then the LHS side is equal to RHS side. It makes you very simple to multiply the bigger number, or because what we call it is algebraic expression also, right? That's why we are using the identities. And these identities are very, very important. And in algebra, we have using the identities in many way and many places. Without the identities, we cannot be simplify the algebraic expressions in very easiest and shortest form. So that's why we are studying about this identities. Let's see the standard algebraic identities, what we learn in the early classes, that is in our 7th standard, right? So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, and x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus of a plus b into x plus ab. By using these identities, we can solve the multiplication problems, right? The LHS side we have a plus b whole square. This a plus b whole square can be written in that form of, that is a square means it will be expanded like a into a, right? So here we have a plus b whole square. So a plus b into a plus b. We know that how to multiply the binomial into binomial terms. That a is multiple with this term, that is a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. So this term is multiple with the second binomial and this term also, right? Now removing the bracket, a into a square, plus a into b, plus b into a is ba or ab, plus b into b square. Now see, here also we have ab, here also we have ab, then a square plus 1ab plus 1ab is equal to 2ab plus b square. Now this term is equal to RHS. The same way we can prove all the identities in this way. Next we see the cubic identities. The cubic identities also we can prove that the same way. Here we have a plus b whole cube, right? So a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. If you multiply all the terms, we get that RHS side. So let's see the cubic identities. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Next, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. See the difference of plus and minus. In plus, all the terms are plus, while it is a minus means the alternate is the minus symbol. Plus, minus, like this. and then x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus of a plus b plus c into x square plus of ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. And we have the deductions of identities also. See, the same identity can be rewritten in that form. Here we have 3 as the common term, right? And AB is the common term. If you take commonly outside, we get that value. See, deductions. A plus B whole cube, the same formula. A cube plus B cube. Here 3A square, we have 3A square B. Here also we have 3AB square. Here 3AB will be taken out common limits. Then we have A plus B as the outside term. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. The another one is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And the same way we have a cube plus b cube. See, the difference of a plus b whole cube is differ from a cube plus b cube. That is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. By using these identities, we can solve the multiplication of algebraic expression and also the numbers. Thank you, students.